CTE Works.
CTE Works.
CTE Works.
CTE stands for Career Technical Education. CTE is fresh, it's exciting, and it is not what we used to think it was in the past. CTE has over 50 career programs and 12 career clusters. And it allows students to be engaged in the classroom.
There's so many programs and so many different interests to choose from. It's amazing.
They let students explore career opportunities and what they may want to do in the future.
And I'm very lucky to take these classes because it really unleashes my creativity.
After I graduate from this program, I'm going to go to college and then I'm going to continue my business track so that way I can become a very successful businessman in the future and make lots of money.
I'm interested in the medical career, so this program helps me explore a lot of options in different career fields.
I'm in computer science and I love it a lot. I want to do it for the rest of my life.
CTE catapults students into their future, and it allows them to test it out. It allows them to kind of see if this is an interest that they have. And many of our students go on to post-secondary education or to college, career, whatever it is. And so they walk away with knowledge, but I think they walk away with almost finding a place that they fit. And I think that makes a difference with learning. And if students can get passionate about a future and a vision, then all the other subjects kind of come together and they see how they work to get them to where they want to go.
This class I'm really locked in because I'm really passionate about the subject. This makes me very excited for my future.
I've definitely enjoyed coming to school a lot more since I can do something that I like.
Ever since I've been taking cosmetology, it has been improving with my grades, and now I am an honor roll student.
The classes are rigorous and fun because they focus on my interests.
I used to be very shy, I didn't like presenting, but this class really brought me out.
I love coming to my CTE class every day because it brings out the best in me.
Students go on and do an internship. They get to go out in these workplaces and put together all of the learning that they have learned in the classroom and gain new learning.
During my internship, I got to use all the skills and talents that I used in class in an actual work environment. These are actual skills that bring value to the table.
CTE has expanded, which allows this to be more accessible and provide more opportunities for all students. Many of our students are dual enrolled. They are able to take AP courses and leave high school with college credits. And so CTE students also have industry certifications, which allow them to go right into the workforce. They go in sometimes making even more money, and they get to do things even faster because they eliminated some of those certifications just by doing them in high school.
And that will help me get a job, own a business.
I think students should definitely explore CTE options.
CTE works. It works for our employers, it works for our community, and it most definitely works for our students.
CTE Works.
CTE Works.
CTE Works.
CTE, it works.